Who doesn't love a good vacation? But let's face it, vacations can be expensive. From flights to accommodations to activities, the costs can add up quickly. But don't worry, in this video, we'll show you some tips and tricks on how to save money on your next vacation without sacrificing the fun. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, do your research. Look for deals and discounts on flights, hotels, and activities. Many travel websites offer package deals that can save you money. Also, consider traveling during the off-season when prices are lower. Next, pack smart. Bring only what you need and avoid overpacking. This will not only save you money on baggage fees, but also make it easier to travel around. Finally, consider using a travel rewards credit card. These cards offer points or miles for every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Just make sure to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. By following these tips, you can save money on your next vacation and still have a great time. So start planning your next adventure today. Accommodations can be one of the biggest expenses on a vacation. But there are ways to save money without sacrificing comfort. Consider using vacation rental websites like Airbnb or Vrbo. These websites offer a variety of accommodations, from apartments to houses, at a lower cost than traditional hotels. If you prefer a hotel, look for deals and discounts. Many hotels offer promotions for booking in advance or staying for a certain number of nights. Also, consider staying outside of the main tourist areas. Hotels in these areas can be more expensive, so staying a bit further away can save you money. Finally, if you're on a tight budget, consider staying in a hostel. Hostels offer shared accommodations at a lower cost than hotels. Just make sure to read reviews and choose a reputable hostel. By following these tips, you can save money on accommodations and have a comfortable place to stay on your vacation. Transportation can also be a significant expense on a vacation, but there are ways to save money while still getting around. Consider using public transportation, such as buses or trains, instead of renting a car. This can be a more affordable option, especially in cities where parking can be expensive. If you do need to rent a car, look for deals and discounts. Many car rental companies offer promotions for booking in advance or renting for a certain number of days. Also, consider using ride-sharing apps like Uber or Lyft instead of taxis, which can be more expensive. Finally, consider walking or biking to get around. This is not only a great way to save money, but also a way to explore your destination and get some exercise. By following these tips, you can save money on transportation and have more to spend on activities and experiences at your destination. Food and drinks can also be a significant expense on a vacation, but there are ways to save money while still enjoying the local cuisine. Consider buying groceries and cooking some of your meals. This can be a more affordable option, especially for breakfast and lunch. Thus, it can be a fun way to experience local markets and ingredients. If you do eat out, look for deals and discounts. Many restaurants offer coupons or promotions, especially during off-peak hours. Also, consider limiting your alcohol consumption. Drinks can be expensive, especially at bars and restaurants. Instead, buy alcohol at a local store and enjoy it in your accommodations. Finally, consider trying street food or local markets. These can be a more affordable and authentic way to experience the local cuisine. By following these tips, you can save money on food and drinks and still enjoy the local cuisine on your vacation. Activities and entertainment can be a significant expense on a vacation, but there are ways to save money while still having fun. Consider free activities, such as hiking, visiting parks, or exploring local neighborhoods. These can be a great way to experience the destination without spending money. If you do want to do paid activities, look for discount passes or packages. Many destinations offer passes that include multiple attractions at a lower cost. Also, look for free events or festivals. These can be a great way to experience the local culture and entertainment without spending money. Finally, do your research and plan ahead. Look for free or low-cost activities in guidebooks or online. This can help you make the most of your time and budget. By following these tips, you can save money on activities and entertainment and still have a great time on your vacation. So there you have it, our tips and tricks on how to save money on your next vacation. We hope you found this video helpful and have a wonderful time on your next adventure.